I'm going to give you some examples of some things that you can do to drastically change your business by getting immediate revenue and then doing so consistently. Here's an actual ad. It's blown up huge here, but this is an actual ad that we run on Facebook. I wouldn't use this photo. You can change your photos out to make it look like a house in your area, but this basically says, hey, are you tired of looking at all the pick-through properties that are available online? I'm sure you're aware the best deals never make it to the open market. Did you know we can get you access to unlisted homes that match exactly what you're looking for in this area? If you're tired of messing around on Zillow and Realtor.com and you're not finding what you're looking for, and if your family's looking for a very specific type of home in a very specific area, we have what's called a Dream Home Finder program, whereby if you tell me what you're looking for, I can find you a big list of unlisted properties that nobody else knows about. Would the buyers be attracted to that offer? Hey, I hope you got a lot of value out of that training video, and we've got a lot more in store for you as well. I want you to subscribe to this channel so we can help you to grow your real estate business. There's nothing more important than generating more closings for yourself, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. What I want you to do is subscribe to this channel. If you don't have an account with YouTube, you can set one up for free right now. Just click the little button to set up an account. You can then subscribe to this channel, and then I want you to ring the bell. That's going to notify you every single time a new video is posted to help you in closing more real estate. Now, most importantly, I want you to check the description in this video that you're watching right now. Look down in that description. There's lots of specific training that you can do right now, totally free, to get you closing more real estate. Lots of great ideas, techniques, marketing tools that you can utilize. Check it out in the description right now, and we'll see you in the next video.